Hey folks, what's up? We're gonna go ahead and fix my wife's Taurus. Lately going down the road, you get the doors ajar light and I think it's beeping, beep, 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 beep. It drives you nuts, man. Kind of figured out what was wrong with it. It's actually there's a switch built into the latch on the latch for the door that activates the computer or sends a signal to the computer saying, hey, the door's open. I guess that gums up. Whatever they're using for grease gums up over time. And the best thing to do is clean it up, other than replace it, obviously. I wouldn't recommend getting a used one from the junkyard because it seems that all these cars with the rear door sensors, switches, whatever you want to call them, are having the same problem. So I wouldn't even bother with a used one. So we're going to go out there with a screwdriver, Torx bit. The only thing I have in the garage is chain lube. So that's what we're going to use. And brake clean. Alright, what's happening is, this is the rear door, left side. When you close, the computer thinks it's still open. This is the lock right here. The switch is integrated into that latch, I should say. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Torx tool and just loosen these up. Don't take them all the way out. Gives me a little bit more room to get in there. Take my brake clean. I'm going to zap the shit out of the lock. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver, holding the handle open, work the lock. Look how gunky that is. Oh, look at all that shit coming out of there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Seems to be operating a lot smoother. So now I'm just gonna hit it up inside here and stuff with chain lube, which is all I have, so that's what I'm going to use. I don't think it matters what you use on this. I would use something like chain lube made by Blaster, or some kind of a silicone based lubricant. I like about this chain lube, it really foams up nicely, and then just work it. Try to get that fluid in there, or lubricant. Once you think it's working really smooth, or smooth enough, just go ahead and button it back up, tighten up the screws, and that should do it. If it doesn't work, then you're gonna have to replace the latch, which is it's a lot more work. You're gonna take the whole door panel out and get inside there. But that should work. And now let's check if the light is off. There you go. The back door is not ajar anymore, so it'll work. Clean it up. That's basically what you're doing. You're cleaning it up. You're trying to get some of that old grease out from inside there. There's a little metal pin or shaft, whatever you want to call it, that activates the switch or moves with the switch. So it gets all gummed up from the grease drying out. It's all set. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other doors and to prevent any other issues. But that's the only door. I know these 2006 Ford Tauruses are known for the left rear door, the switch. I don't know why, but it is. So hopefully that'll help you guys. I hope the tip was helpful. I don't know. All right, y'all take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.